What are modal verbs? Modal is a type of auxiliary helping verb used to express ability, requests, permission, possibility, opportunity, invitation, obligation, certainty, suggestion, or to give advice. There are 9 basic modal verbs. They are can, may, might, must, shall, would, should, could, will. These words add meaning to verbs. A verb will always follow a modal verb in a sentence. Each modal verb has many different meanings. Modal verbs must be followed by an infinitive verb without to. I can speak French. I can speak French. Can you close the window? Can you close the window? That can't be Fred. He's in Thailand. That can't be Fred. He's in Thailand. You can do well in business if you work hard. You can do well in business if you work hard. She cannot stay out after 10:30 p.m. She cannot stay out after 10:30 p.m. I can do it now, I'm free. I can do it now, I'm free. Could you bring your PlayStation controller when you come? Could you bring your PlayStation controller when you come? It could rain later. The clouds look dark. It could rain later. The clouds look dark. Mr. Evans couldn't swim last year. Mr. Evans couldn't swim last year. May I open the window? May I open the window? The Labour Party may win the election. The Labour Party may win the election. He may not get that job, you know. He may not get that job, you know. Your cousins might pop by later on today. Your cousins might pop by later on today. Dad, there might not be any cake left. Dad, there might not be any cake left. Would you like a cup of tea? Would you like a cup of tea? I would have come along if the show was cheaper. I would have come along if the show was cheaper. I wouldn't want to live on that road, would you? I wouldn't want to live on that road, would you? You must stop at the traffic light when it's red. You must stop at the traffic light when it's red. You mustn't copy other students' work. That's cheating. You mustn't copy other students' work. That's cheating. Adam should join a team. He's really good at football. Adam should join a team. He's really good at football. Should we go by bus or train? Should we go by bus or train? Will there be hurricanes every year? Will there be hurricanes every year? I won't do it. I won't do it. Shall we go to the cinema? Shall we go to the cinema? I shan't be going to the party tonight. I shan't be going to the party tonight.